Hi there, and welcome to Calidus. We're really excited to have you here with us, but before you jump in, let's take a quick moment to get familiar with the platform. I'll walk you through a few basics, and if you'd like a little bit more guidance, you can always schedule an onboarding session with one of our attorneys. On Calidus, you'll find a wide range of solutions designed for everyday legal tasks. And if you're not sure which tool is right for you, just ask our concierge at the top of the page. Some of our most popular tools include our research and drafting module, which is a feature that helps attorneys draft motions and briefs in under 10 minutes. Just enter some key facts, answer a few follow up questions, customize the right cases and statutes for you, and it will organize your analysis into a clear and structured draft. However, here in our discovery module, you can upload up to 50,000 pages of files, flag key terms, chat with your documents, and instantly turn those findings into a timeline or statement of facts. In our Word add-in, you can draft, negotiate, proofread, edit, verify case citations, and a lot more directly in Word. And lastly, our AI assistant, which is your legal Swiss Army knife, a really versatile chatbot built to handle everything from quick questions to complex tasks. If you ever want to learn more about a module, just hover over any solution to watch a quick video. Your past working matters are saved in the left panel here under the Matter portal, so it's easy to stay organized. If you're on our base plan, you'll see your credits here in the top left with the option to add more whenever you need or upgrade to unlimited whenever you're ready. If you have any questions or feedback, reach out to us at Calidus at any time at support@calidusai.com. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy Calidus.